Hey guys, it's 13 Crown here. I am on the couch, chilling out, right? And I'm with my brother. He starts making spit bubbles. I don't even have. He's. It's just so weird. It's like it just turns out little, right? And it comes like a bubble gum, like humongous. Like where did that come from? And now I have the hiccups.
Again?
Yes, I do have the hiccups again. And you have cat hair on your shirt.
On my
your shirt.
Well, obviously. Oh.
How? Don't put it on me. Oh. We're watching American Pickers because we can. We're having shrimp tonight. Yum.
Thanks, buddy. It was an honor.
Yep. I'll have you all go right here while I'm watching my TV. I love cat hair on me because I have black on.
I would love to deal with them again. See ya. Take it easy.
Oh, I look terrified, don't I?
Over the fence on this trip.
Here, Trevor, put that on the table away.
If I can have a sip.
Sure.
As soon as Danny gets we'll know.
That cup is bigger than yours.
Alright, let's grab it up.
I love Maryland.
Oh, that was okay.
Frank and Mike found a sword from a guy named Harry in Maryland.
That sword is a rare one. That's a
It's a rare one.
So they mailed it to the shop. It is up to me to have it appraised and find out what it's worth. So our old friend Richard Ellis, he is an expert in antique weapons. He's a genius when it comes to this stuff. Okay, Richard. So this is our lovely sword right here.
Well, I can already see it's a very fine sword. It's an exquisite piece of Americana. The form, it being a straight blade, it's after 1821.
Okay.
Instead of being a curved blade, thus placing it in the War of 1812 or earlier. This sword was made in what they call the interbellum period, which was a period between the War of 1812 and the Mexican-American War in 1847. We have
Are you even
grip
seeing?
that is a bone. A lot of guys mistakenly call this either the gilt of the white handle. Tells me that this was made for dress.
I'm gonna crack your toes in a minute.
I don't like my toes being.
See, that makes sense. It looks like a pretty fancy sword. It's a dress-up sword. It's like a fancy dude sword. It is not a sword that was used on the battlefield.
And on the blade, the first thing
No, 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 not, ow, my toes, ouch. I don't like my toes being cracked. I don't think I have the hiccups anymore. Meh. Alright, bye.